guys, welcome back to a new vlog. I am about to get ready for an event. I haven't been in so long. I'm going to a benefit event, so my skin is still, it's not fully done peeling. It's currently just like really dry, so I'm going to try to put on makeup and make it look good. I haven't worn makeup since I got my facial, which it's been almost a week. Like, I haven't been able to do anything. I didn't think it was gonna last that long. First things first is I'm gonna do my hair real quick. Look, this toothbrush needs to be cleaned, it's so dirty. I'm gonna do my baby hairs and lay my hair down with some mousse to keep it nice and fresh looking. I'm meeting my sister in Amsterdam at the central station, and then we're going to the event together. I think I said it's for benefit, right? I don't know, it's for benefit whether I said it or not. It's meant to last like all day. I'm not sure if I'm gonna stay all day, but you know, I'll be there as long as it's fun. So I don't love going to events, but whenever I'm going like with my sister or someone that I know, I don't mind it. It does make it more enjoyable. I just feel like whenever I go to events, it really shows me that this world is not where I belong. Like, the kinds of people that I see at events just aren't really my kind of people. So I don't love going. But like I said, if I'm with my sister, I can handle it. If I'm with someone that I know, I can handle it. So we'll make it work. I just spent so much time trying to pick out an outfit. I should have done it last night. I haven't been to an event in so long, and we're also just going into Amsterdam. I'll probably take some pics. I wanted to make sure my outfit was cute. I'll show you later. I'm still not fully sure on like the jacket or like long sleeve something that I'm gonna wear on top of this, because it's not super hot. It's like, I think it's gonna be like 19 degrees. But starting a new vlog, I think I'll also do a little bit of like updates on moving in this vlog, probably tomorrow or something. Let's see how this goes. Curious to see who's gonna be at the event. I really hate walking into people and like seeing people, so I'm kind of hoping I don't know anyone there. I'm so sorry, I'm like awful, but I'm not a social person at all. Am I gonna try this foundation? Yes. Oh, the color looks so good. I literally color matched this online, you guys. So, I mean, I think I did really well on that. Let's give it a go with a brush. See how that is. I'll just try to do some stippling. Oh, this is so much more full coverage than I expected. Radiant Longwear Foundation. Okay, it's a little bit dark, but I can get away with that. Okay, definitely more like matte and like full coverage than I was planning on doing, but it's a lot more than I anticipated on using. I think I'm gonna try to just continue my makeup like fast with some music on, and I'll pop music for you guys in the background to listen to, because I don't want to be late, and I feel like I'm gonna have to rush if I
done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me.
So this is the outfit for today. I literally changed into so many different outfits, and this is what I ended up with, because I just want to make sure I'm comfortable. And it could get chilly, so I put this shirt on top. I can always take it off. Jeans are Revolve, top, I can't remember the brand, Balenciaga, Nike, Capricorn Studios glasses, and I'm ready. I'm gonna be vlogging on my phone while I'm out, just because it's gonna be easier. I don't have a big enough bag to bring like all my camera stuff, and I feel like that's just easy. When the new iPhone comes out, vlogging outside with my phone is gonna be so good. But for now, you're gonna have to deal with my 11 Pro Max. But yeah, this is a fit.
But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this cinema, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like Conman. And it's been down to the deep end. You know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden cuppa, get to you clean and proper. Yeah, I'm moving a weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down, make it sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show me the car where you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down.
Show me how you jigger.
Pick it off, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it off? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
I'm so tired of these late night talks, saying things that we don't mean, that we regret in the morning. Yeah, I just wish we could open up, be a little more honest. This is getting exhausting. Yeah, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go.
I'm back from the event. I'm literally so sweaty. I'm about to go take a shower. I quickly want to show you what's in my goodie bag. So we won the like group challenge thing, which was so fun. And we won this like gold head. It's downstairs. And then I won bingo once and I got scented candle. And then my sister won a bingo and she won a perfume, which she already had. So I got it. And I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but it smells really good. It's Givenchy, however you pronounce this, I don't know. It smells really good. So you know, always nice to have a new perfume. There's some more stuff in here. I was about to unpack it and put it away, but I was like, wait, I need to vlog this. So I got the Professional Primer and Super Setter deal. Ooh, it's like a mini Super Setter and a Professional. Love. I love this. I have it in the big one already. And then I don't think, oh, I had a Professional, but I think it's quite old actually. I'll probably just throw that out because it's like half empty and old. Then I got the Highbrow Dual Pencil, which I hope I don't already have this because they recently sent me this like big Pure package. I think I vlogged that as well. I think it might have been the last vlog. Oh, I don't think I have this. Oh, that's interesting. It's like highlighting stuff. Cool. We'll try that out. Got 24-hour brow setter, which I do have already. So I think I'll just keep this as a backup in my drawer. I got Hoola Glow I already have as well. So I'll keep that as a backup. Maybe I have someone to give it to. This blush I also already have. They literally sent it to me in PR like not too long ago. I got moisturizing lip balm. Oh, I don't have this. This is different. Do I? No, I definitely don't have this. Try it on. It smells good. Nice. Oh, another moisturizing lip balm, but this is a different color. Bit more of like a pink, maybe? I don't know. And then lastly, we got water bottle, which is damaged. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go shower now because I feel disgusting, and I'll probably see you guys tomorrow.
To let you go, but maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go, yeah, but maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late.
It is the next day. I started my day so early today because I really wanted to get some work done. I'm gonna quickly run to the grocery store, and then I'm gonna start editing this week's vlog, which is going up today. Then Luca's gonna come over for a podcast recording, and that's kind of the day for today. He's gonna stay over for dinner as well, which is fun. And yeah, I'm so tired from yesterday. It was really fun, but social shit like that is so draining to me, which is why I never go out. But it's part of the job, and it was fun to do. I had a lot of fun, you know. I won some nice candles. Can't complain, to be honest. I'm back from getting groceries. I'm gonna show you what I got. It's nothing special, but I thought might as well. So, ooh, I got these. These are my favorites. Just really nice to have like a quick like dinner. They didn't have the bagels and beans bagels, so I just got regular bagels to put in the oven. And to go with that, I like eating it with this surimi crab stuff. Haven't had it in a while, so I thought it'd be fun to buy. Look at what happened to this thing because I put it in the dishwasher. So stupid. Friday is also the day that I always check like what can leave my fridge. I have some chicken for tonight. So good. I got a white chocolate bar. I don't know why. I just kind of felt like it. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. I thought it'd be nice to eat when I'm smoking. I also got some strawberries, just one for tomorrow probably. Oh, and I got a 12-pack of Fanta for the next 3 days, which should be enough. Because usually I get the 8, but then I always run out and I end up wanting to like buy extra, so I think 12 is perfect. Spread over like 3-ish days, 2.5, 3-ish days. I can have like 4 a day, which should be good, so. Did I get anything else? I got an umbrella, but like a small one, because I still needed one of these. I think I like left mine somewhere once and then never got one again. Also got some extra scissors for the kitchen, which I'm probably just gonna put in my box for when I move. They're just a bit more heavy duty. And I got some extra lighters because I run out of lighters I run through lighters really fast. Look who's here, y'all.
Hey guys. Well, Benji.
Yeah.
Wow, you can see me. Hi guys.
We're gonna get ready for the pod. I'm gonna do my baby hairs and put a bit of makeup on. It smells so good.
What is it?
Summer Friday's lip balm.
It smells exactly like the Fenty Beauty one.
Really?
Yeah.
I never tried that one. It smells very good. But yeah, we're gonna be. Wait, I need my mirror. We're gonna record a podcast episode today. We're gonna be giving advice. We put our email on our story the other day, and people send in advice. Stop moaning. Yeah.
5
Okay. Let me put on like a tiny bit of makeup. The apartment. How pretty is this?
So pretty.
Right?
Are you gonna travel there and say like, come on, you can do it?
Guys, come on, stop. Come on, guys.
Come on, guys.
Imagine I just made dinner. And Luca's gonna taste test. I made like a sesame seed noodle. Looks like this.
No, I'm just kidding.
Is it good?
Really good.
I've never made this before.
It's really good.
Let's see. Oh, this noodles is very slippy.
I can.
Wait, it's not bad. Not bad.
It's good.
Yeah. Especially making this the first time. Not too hard with the pre-made sauce, but not bad. Thumbs up, please.
We just filmed the podcast. Go follow our Instagram, LOR Podcast.
Cheese now. Could have cooked a little longer, but you like it?
I love it.
Love feeding my child.